Alright, this is Mueller, the top portion from Rudy's Flats down. Bountiful, Utah. Ties into North Canyon, which would have been my previous video, most likely. Which North Canyon has North Canyon upper, lower, and has a North Canyon downhill section at the bottom too. It's freaking amazing. This is pretty awesome up here though too. Flowy roots. Not a lot of chunk, there's a little bit in here. This side can be pretty popular, but it's a weekday. I don't think I'll probably run into too many people on this section of trail today. We're gonna do this and then we're gonna ride the new, they opened a new downhill section above Elephant Rock. Oh yeah. That I wanna check out. It's not done, you can only do about like a top third or something like that, or top fourth of it. But we're on the e-bike today, Santa Cruz Heckler. Oh yeah, nice. We're putting some miles in today. Probably be about 40 miles. I'm excited for the e-bike. Get fun riding in. Gotta watch those corners. The line of sight is not amazing right now. Fall. Yeah, nice. Come fall, and we get some better line of sight and stuff, we'll get a couple of these more common trails. Get some good fast runs in. Get a video of that. Not really race pace because none of these trails are going to be closed, but just fast pace. Oh, another deer. Bunch of deer up here today. Oh, yes. Bountiful's just doing such a good job developing trails. If you live anywhere near Bountiful, Utah. Cutting trails, shoreline trail. It's not anything like downhill or double black or anything, but just a plethora of trails for people to ride on. Kudos to them. The cool part is we do a bunch of trails, man. Eventually, you can sneak a couple downhill trails in, get some stuff proved, so you have more variety. But you got to start with the basics and the infrastructure first, I'd imagine. I don't really know, to be honest with you. called. I don't watch Star Wars very often, but those little motorbike things that ride through the forest. Sometimes on these skinny trails, I kind of feel like that's what I'm on. Flying through, dodging trees. Oh, so beautiful up here and peaceful. Yeah. Hell yeah. Coming around. Coming around.